Now today is the third consecutive day Nifty has been trying to protect the 40-day exponential average, but while it's doing that, there's been a lot of action below the surface, and so what we try to do is look for which are the first stocks that are really moving. And the Strike software has a great way of doing that. Many different tools. One of them is of course the Dow Trend Scanner. We've talked about this before, and I'll quickly show you around. What I've done here is taken the Nifty Mid Cap 100, and then I've used this filter option to simply choose stocks that are showing a down to up, which means based on Dow theory, the trend is changing from down to up. Now, I can come down to a small list. Now, this is of course 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stocks. And I further want to look down which ones are really moving. Now, if you just know a little bit of Elliott wave analysis, I clicked on Bandhan Bank and I saw something interesting, which is that the rise from the recent low is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you have an ABC decline. Now, Elliott wave basics, if you've seen my basics video, you'd know that 5 waves usually is in the direction of a trend. And once you fall in ABC, the highest probability is that you do another 5 up. Dow theory is the first one that usually confirms that reversal. We can also do that on the basis of wave analysis, that yes, if ABC is complete, you've surpassed this previous swing high, which means the 3-wave fall is complete, and Dow theory is giving us that green line here, which is showing that you also have a Dow theory reversal. So this becomes one of the early signals based on which, you'd actually fine tune, out of this basket, what are you really going to look at and choose? That is the question people are asking us, and little more knowledge definitely helps. There are other ways using simple tools apart from wave analysis that you may be able to fine tune, like using the Rohit setup. If you learn to use it, you can find different stocks that are trending in nature. But this is what you have to do, and it helps you really quickly come down with a list that you need to further look at and study and pick the ones that you think are likely to be the winners.